It's your favorite series from TikTok. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miss Megan Robinson, and this is my series where I go through really old MAC product. Some of it is mine, some of it is friends from a few decades, and I blind pick it and I just go down memory lane. So I hope you enjoy this. It's a series on TikTok that has 100 parts. They're like 3-minute videos, and I'm bringing it here in long format. Barbie loves MAC. Pearl Blossom beauty powder. Beauty powders to me like weren't really highlighters, but they weren't face powders either. It was just like a matte powder with a tiny bit of radiance. I never shopped this collection. And I just think it's so cool to now have pieces of it. If you guys listen to Spirit Box, their new EP is so good. It's all that plays in my head. Spotify Wrapped is my favorite thing of the year. I'm so excited for this year. It's gonna be between Sleep Token and Spirit Box. This is the one that broke when I was doing it on stage. Oh. How dare. This was a Faffy lipstick. The shine is incredible. This is a glaze. MAC, please bring back glaze. I'm looking you in the eye. Please bring back glaze formula. It would do so well. It would do so well. I think would fight in the streets for hue. Oh my God, I love that so much. I love glaze texture. Please. Gentle Lentil shade stick. Is there anything in here? There is. Can you see? I forgot my light. I just realized. There we go. Now we're in business. It could die because I forgot to charge it. Shade sticks. Please bring those back too. They would, they would do so well. Yellow Jacket. Nobody cared about these when it was out. Like over top of different colors, it would be so fucking cool. It's gonna make orange. Still, you get it though, right? I just love texture. I love when you can see different layers of color in a lip. Take this off. Mineralized eyeshadow deserve a second chance. I feel like no one was into it, and I feel like it's very much a thing right now. And I also, because you get used to what you see, right? You get used to what you see, and that's why you like it, and then you shift over time. I look at this now and I wish I felt how I feel now about it back then. Just it's like the perfect topper to a smoky eye, but also if you used it wet, it was so stunning. Oh yeah, I had this one. I actually finished an entire one. This was like, I think this was 2015. Yeah, 2015. The Pro Longwear Pro Longwear waterproof color sticks. The blackest of black, like so creamy. It was like shade sticks were kind of like more matte than this formula, and then grease paint and sticks would have gone over here. You did it once, you can do it again. I want my tan to come off my hands. Oh, another one. Speak of the devil. Grease paint sticks. Please don't be dry. It's dry. Oh, I'm choking to death. Okay. Grease paint sticks were more like obviously greasy, like wet, sexy looking. You did it 3 times. Same component, give or take. This one was a different manufacturer, obviously. All I'm saying is there's no reason. Oh, this was Prolong Wear waterproof too. I don't remember this one. It looks like minted. This one was one of my favorites. This is my own personal one. Tea Leaves. It's just such a pretty base color. Powder blush in Small Vanity. Some of the MAC blush colors that have come out over the years have been fucking beautiful. I just want a touch of it, just a touch. My skin is so greasy right now. That just grabbed it in that area. Oh God, I love it. Let's put it above the brow too. I love it. I love it. What is that even from? Glamour Days? That's the only thing I remember with the black shiny packaging and the white writing. Venomous Villains. Oh So Fair. Beauty powder. MAC in like the 2010s to like 2010 to 2016-ish, 2015, always had, oh my God, so velvety. This has been touched like once. It's like a really soft, transparent baby pink. That's actually really pretty. Potentially would wear that. What was I saying? Beauty powders were in a ton of collections in the mid-2000s. Original Warm Soul. Pour one out for original warm fucking soul. I feel like I could retire on this color. This will be my 3rd. Nothing compared to this color. If you were into makeup at any point before 2015, you had Warm Soul. Didn't have Warm Soul, you had Love Thing. If you had a deeper complexion. Oh, that's the Faffy box. I don't really know anything about that collection. You guys can tell me. Oh, this is a paint. Mauvism. I can't say mauve. Mauvism, I just can't. Paints were so ahead of their time. Would be so great right now. People just got, oh, so pretty. I wish I could wear this. This is too risky for me to put on. So ahead of their time, like it doesn't read like it feels like a cream shadow, right? Like a liquidy cream shadow. And it just doesn't read like that to people. And I think that's why they were like no longer popular. But this is such a great product. Such a great product. Put a little bit on your brush, you put a little bit on your eyes. So freaking good. Mineralized eyeshadow in Aurora. That's interesting. It's like pink and green and champagne. Oh, it looks like patina. Oh, I really didn't expect that, but I feel like I should have. It's a little bit deeper than what patina would be. That's so pretty. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Oh, MAC Heatherette. I don't think I've ever held anything from the Heatherette collection. Maybe a lipstick. This is an eyeshadow times 3. Oh my God. I love it. This is brand new. Also, I don't know when this came out. 2008? This is a very early MAC color story for palettes. There was always, I'm not touching this one. There was always a palette that looked like this. But I definitely feel like, I mean, when I was learning from YouTube, I learned through the Pixie Woo Sisters, X Sparkage, Peachy Makeup by Risa. We call them like YouTube, like beauty gurus. I was always doing colored eyeshadow. Is this another Crush Metal Pigment? Okay, so I owned this myself at some point, but I don't know what I did with it. Oh my good God. Look at that. I need to, oh my God. The texture is just so good. I think, did these launch in a holiday collection? Do I have food in my teeth? Oh. I just want to smear this over my entire body. I love that tone. Do you remember Violet Pigment? Immortal Flower, a faint memory of it. This is like light peach. Oh, this is peach for a very fair complexion. Not me, considering how fair I am. So yeah, that's, I don't remember that one. Style was one of my favorites. Spank Me eye gloss. Is it a black and red? Oh my God, this is brand new. It's a black that has like magenta and teal glitter in it. Yeah, do you see that? We'll finish off this box. There's a few more pieces. I'm the One, another powder blush. This is like a bubblegum pink. I have so much stuff on my hands. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, is this Glamour Days too? I wanna put that on as well. I'm really gonna have to clean this brush. I love it. I have too much stuff on my face. I just love it. I look like a doll. No, see, I love it. I love it. It matches, it's the same color as my lips. Oh, I pulled that out too fast. Oh, this is a sample. I was like, what the hell? What was Solar Bits? In Scatter Rays. Scatter Rays. Solar Bits. Was it a highlighter? I think it was just a highlighter. It feels like, oh, I love that. It feels like a similar texture. Oh, it kind of has a what? Do you see the wetness on the hand? How that looks? Did you see that again? Don't yell at me. I'll put it on. Here's this brush from Sigma. High Cheekbone Highlighter. From the piece that's on the disc here. Okay. One of my favorite MAC highlighters of all time is this one right here. Let It Glow from Frosted Fireworks a couple of holidays ago. 3, 4 years old? I don't know. Because of the way that this texture is. It's extra dimension, except it's a little bit drier. It's more crumbly. So when you pick that up and you put it on, you see more of your skin through it. So it looks thin. Anything that looks thin but shiny and like I can still see the pink blush underneath as strong as this highlight is. Oh my goodness. When did this come out? I'm drawing a blank. If anybody knows, they can let me know. You're coming home with me. Polar Bits. God, I just love makeup. Still Life. I think this was one of my paints that I really enjoyed. Because like Bare Canvas. Oh no, maybe I'm mixing it up. That's too silvery. No, there was stuff on my hand look like that. Put it here. I don't know which one I'm thinking of. Untitled. I think Untitled was the one. This was too silvery, shimmery for me. Okay. This product, Brushed Metal X Cream Shadow. I don't know when it's from. I don't know when it came out. But it is the product of my dreams. My hand is full. It's so thin for a cream product to look this good and be this thin and in a pressed like format. If anybody knows anything about these, like I get that I can search it on my own, but I really like to hear like firsthand like stories with it. I need these to come back. They would do so fucking well. They would do so well. This was a little bit of end liner. I'm gonna need this back. Is that it? Last one. Flourishing. Oh, matte squared eyeshadow. I really like matte squared. I think Blanc Type's the only thing that exists. I'm gonna use my thumb. That's a really nice, excuse my eye color, really nice mossy green. Let's just put it in the center of my palm. Beautiful. They're so velvety. I will refill this box. What is that? Oh, it's the end of something, the end of a cap. I will refill this box. I can't even express to you how much of this product I have. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Let me know what your favorite item was that I just unboxed. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That is where the party is. That's where I put out the most content. All under the same name, at Miss Megan Robinson. And if you would like a one-on-one makeup session or you need help with your makeup, you need a tip, a trick, a custom look, you can book me on Cameo for right now. That will be in the description below. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.